Hello, I'm Fidel Del Valle, the Commissioner and Chief Administrative Law Judge for the New York City Office of Administrative Trials and Hearings, OATH. OATH is the city's independent administrative law court. If you have received a summons from a New York City agency other than a parking ticket, OATH is the place where you have the opportunity to fight the summons. This video was created to make sure that you know your options for responding to a summons and that you understand your right to fight it. I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.
In New York City, there are several ways to handle a city-issued summons, and most summonses will be responded to at the city's Office of Administrative Trials and Hearings, OATH. OATH, however, is not the court where you go to fight parking tickets or traffic tickets. The person named on the summons is always the person that is responsible for responding to the summons. If you fail to respond to the summons on or before the scheduled hearing date, you will receive a decision that finds you in default, and a higher penalty may be imposed in your case. In some cases, the enforcement agency that wrote the summons may send you a settlement offer, which you may accept or decline. If you accept and pay by the deadline, then you are admitting to the charges and you will not need to appear at the scheduled OATH hearing. If your summons has a mail-in penalty listed on the front, then you have the option of admitting to the charges and simply paying the summons online, by mail, or in person at any OATH Hearings Division location, but payment must be made before the scheduled hearing date. If you would rather fight the summons, you may do so in person or remotely. About 40% of summonses that are challenged at hearings are dismissed. Most summonses can be fought either online, by phone, by webcam, or by mail. If your case is eligible and you would like to fight the summons remotely, OATH must receive your defense on or before the scheduled hearing date. However, if the summons says that you must appear in person, then you must arrive at the scheduled hearing location on the date and time that is listed on the summons. In-person hearings are informal and most people represent themselves. You should bring any witnesses, legal or official records, photographs, and other documents that you think will help support your defense. If you would like to hire an attorney, you may do so at your own expense. If you have questions about how the hearing process works, or you need some assistance finding documents that you believe will support your case, you can visit an OATH Help Center in person or online. There is a help center at every hearing location, and there will be staff there that can answer questions you may have about why you were issued a summons, what the city's rules and regulations are, and assist you in the handling of the matter. For more information and details on fighting a city summons remotely or in person, visit the OATH Hearings Division online at nyc.gov/OATH.